sometimes IDS client folder move to another folder or location by mistake. Then you have to move it to correct location. Let me show you. Go to D drive and just move it to new folder. Okay, now when I will start the IDS, it will not open. Here you can see the same error. Error in next 6i form active. Okay, so when you will get this error, just check that it's available in correct location or not. And when you will move it to D again, here I have moved it, and when you try to open it, it will be open. Here you can see. So you have to also check that thing. Yeah, it's open. Just enter user and password and it will be open.